accounted for. A big red ball rolls across the floor, bouncing high and dropping flat. What is this and what is that? What is this and what is that? Curious minds will always chat. Round and round the answers go, learning things we didn't know. What is that up in the sky? A shiny thing that's floating by. It's a kite with tails that flap. What is this and what is that? A puzzle here, a story there, questions sprouting everywhere. Let's explore the world so wide. Take a peek, don't run and hide. What is this and what is that? Curious minds will always chat. Round and round.
Who I am? What do you know about me? Dispenser toilet tissue.
Touch the sky, magic rolls for you and me. It's the coolest paper spray. Fold it up, make a hat so neat, or a cape for your superhero feet. Wrap it round like mommy fun. Tissue tricks for everyone. Toilet tissue twirl and fly.
And now I know about dispenser toilet tissue. Thank you.